Give me my money.
Yay! Isa pa bende. Just give me my money.
Yay!
Sarap tadi.
Give me money. Niye alkışlamadınız?
Çoktan yaptı da adam yine. Yaptı.
Hi guys, dito tayo sa sa park, Ataturk Park. Kasi anong oras na din? Dinala namin dito si Damla para maiba naman yung kanyang pinaglalaroan, and then para malawak din yung lakaran nila ani, tapos baba para mag-exercise sila, lakad-lakad sila ganyan. Maganda rin kasi yung yung panahon. Hindi na sobrang init. Hey Damla. Say hi. Careful.
Wow!
Wow. You're so high. You can go down now. Go down. Go down na, Kazam.
Okay, now I'm going to do the trampoline.
Trampoline, okay, go.
I'm scared to go this
Damla,
time.
use this Damla, oh.
Oh.
Now go down. Oh. Hi guys, good morning. Mag-ano tayo ng buhok, mag-suklay tayo ng buhok, and maghilamos din tayo. Maligo tayo mamaya pag pagkatapos na mag-almusal. Tiyatawad pa akong maligo eh. Tamad maligo. Hindi, joke lang. Naligo naman ako. Once a week. Once a week. Dapat kahapon ako ng gabi maliligo. Loko-loko yung isip ko. May naalala ako na si Bunsoy, sabi niya, huwag ka maligo ng hapon kasi mamamatay ka. Napaginipan niya ko sa ako na namaligo. Napaginipan niya kasi ako dati na naliligo daw ako ng ng gabi na, pahapon na or pagabi na ganyan. Tapos natigok daw ako. Ay, naalala ko gabi. Kanina na ako naligo. Sa tong kahapon kasi, nahihirapan akong huminga. Kasi nga, naiinis ako. Ganun ako pag madaming naiisip, tapos hindi ko masolusyonan. Iinis ako, tapos nahihirapan na akong huminga. Ayun, ganun. Kumakanta naman yung isa. Tapos, asikasuhin natin si Dam na yung buhok niya, talian natin. Ha? Okay na. Tapos maghilamos tayo. Ay, Didi. Alam nyo, in-order namin na closet. Until now, di pa din siya nadating, 2 weeks na. Tapos, nakwento ng kapatid ni Murat na 1 month daw yung darating kasi umorder sila once doon. Ganun din yung nangyari, hindi din kagad dumating. Ngayon, ayusin na natin dito sa higaan namin ni Damla. Tapos, pag nalaglag yung cellphone, i-laglag.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
Hindi açık oldu.
Dumping jump. Ne söyle, bir daha söyle bakayım. Dumping jumping.
Jumping deer.
네.
My little monkey is Humpy Dumpy. Do you promise when you first do my hair, then let's play?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I did a square. I did a triangle.
Triangle.
Look.
Maybe.
Oh, triangle. This time, I could wear my PJs on.
What is that, Dana? She's smiling like the way to smile way back then.
Yun is start when it's strong.
Cause something kept them waiting for this magic moment. You talk to the guys.
You look into my eyes and found a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah. You look into my eyes and found a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah. You look into my eyes and found a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night.
Maganda ang mama ko. Mabaha ang cup.
This O.
Mabaho ang cup. Ang
Pit.
pit bahay. Amay
This one. Kapitbahay.
na min amay
This O.
amoy tayi pan yo.
Very good.
What does that mean?
In high school too, like it's 2024, but in high school, these two seal one. You don't say the details, okay? I'm just with Ayano too, and the face is similar. As I make my face in Sakura School Simulator, I make my face like Ayano. Ayano, is it a girl or boy? Girl. A girl. And a Japanese name. Yeah. What is love in Japanese? Japanese. Love? Ashi. Ashi? Ashi. I don't know that. Are you sure? Yeah. I put my name. I put my name in G Park. Ayano Love. How of Ayano Ashi? If G Park and Sakura is similar, is it a same game that you were talking about, or they are different? Well, which one is school copied Sakura? Which one is nice? Sakura or G Park? Sakura. Okay.
Ngayon, narinig nyo na kung paano ni Damla binasa tong Tagalog sentence. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung mas okay si Murat magbasa or si Damla. Murat, can you read this? Ano,
Kim yazdı bunu?
Ben. Can you, sen okur musun?
Maganda, mama, mabaha, kapitapa, Oh my tea. Çay mı? Tea. Çay zamanı.
Hadi, oku güzel.
Maganda işte.
No?
Mabaha. Oh my. Banyo.
Hepsini.
O hepsi olmaz.
Hayır, hadi.
Magandang mama ko mama bang kapita papanin ama banyo.
Ay çok yalan sen
Öyle
ya.
öyle okunuyor işte.
Damla daha güzel senden.
Okusun bakayım Damla.
Damla, can you read this for Daddy? Daddy can't read it nice.
Maganda ang mama ko, mabayho ang kapit bahay min amoy tayi ang banyo.
Doğru.
Ama Daddy hiç bilmiyor. Dito tayo sa balcon mga guys. Oh, hi guys.
Mommy, don't drop
No,
it.
I'm not gonna drop it, Damla. I'm holding it so tight.
I'm going.
Natatakot siya baka daw mahulog yung cellphone. Tingnan niyo naman pag nahulog kayo. Talagang basag talaga to.
Mommy, someone just stepped on the
On that black one.
yeah.
Ginawa kasi yung yung kalsada kahapon. Why is not focusing?
It focused.
No.
I'ma just.
No. I will hold it, Damla.
No, no.
Ay, natatakot ako baka. Where?